Please write your name and roll number in the chat box. First of all, you write and roll number in the chat box. Hello, Ronadeep. Hello, Ronadeep. Rocky. Ronadeep and Rocky. রকি দে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
কোথায় ছিলে তুমি এতক্ষণ?
স্যার ওই একটা কল চলে এসেছিল।
হ্যাঁ, চলো চলো। So we are discuss about the process of cell culture. Last class we discussed about this, but today the process of cell culture. The process of cell culture. First is the actually আমাকে বলেছি না 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 আমাকে বলেছিল তুমি তোমার কি বলছিল তুমি নাকি পরেরটায় ফাঁকা আছো? না না আমাকে বলেছিল লাস্ট উইকে আমাকে বলেছিল আমি তোমার সাথে কথা বলবো বলতে ভুলে গেছিলাম। বলছিল যে তোমার তোমার মানে এই মানে ফার্স্ট ডেটে ওর সেকেন্ড ডেটে ফাঁকা নেই, মানে তোমার এটা কোনো অ্যাডজাস্ট করা যাবে আর কি, ওই জন্য ও বলেছিল আমাকে, আমি বলতে ভুলে গেছি। না না বলছি এখন এখনকার যেটা চেঞ্জ করা যাবে, ওর নাকি টানা তারপরে ক্লাস আছে। না 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 আমাকে আগের উইকে বলেছিল, আমি তখন বলছিলাম যে তোমার সাথে কথা বলে নেবো। তোমার অ্যাকচুয়ালি কটা আছে? 10:55 না 10টায় ছিল? 10টায় ছিল তো? না আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি ডেটটা ভুলে গেছি, একদিন আমাকে ফোন করেছিল লাস্ট উইকে, যে বলছে না 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 ও ভাবছে যে আমি হয়তো বলে দিয়েছি, কিন্তু তবুও তোমার সাথে কথা বলা উচিত ছিল। হ্যাঁ 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 আমাকে না 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 সেটা তার সঙ্গে তো ফার্স্ট কথা বলে আমাকে জানিয়ে দিবে, এটাই হচ্ছে এটা, এইটাই নিয়ম, কিন্তু এটা নিয়ম না যে আমাকে দিয়ে চেঞ্জ করি আমি সব করবো। হ্যাঁ আমি সেটাই বলেছিলাম, কিন্তু আমিও আর তোমাকে বলতে ভুলে গেছিলাম। যদি দেখো করা যায় করে দাও চেঞ্জ, আর কি করবে। আমি তো ক্লাসে আছি এখন, ঠিক আছে, সেকেন্ড ইয়ারে ক্লাস করাচ্ছি, মানে সেকেন্ড ইয়ার মানে বি ফার্ম, ঠিক আছে। ও ঠিক আছে, ও বুঝতে পারেনি, ও ভাবছে যে আমাকে বলে দিচ্ছে মানে শেষ, কিন্তু অ্যাকচুয়ালি ওকে কনসিডার করে দাও, ওকে দিয়ে দাও, কি চেঞ্জ করে তারপর দিন থেকে আমি বলে দিচ্ছি কি ব্যাপারটা আছে, দেখে করে দেবো, ঠিক আছে। এখন আমি একটা অনলাইন এক্সামে ছিলাম, ওই মানে ওদেরই, ঠিক আছে। না না না, ওদের ওই পরে রিলায়েন্স আর চাকরির এক্সাম চলছিল তখন, আর এখন ক্লাসে আছি, আমি ক্লাসে জয়েন করে রয়েছি, ঠিক আছে। পরে আমি এটা ডিসকাস করি, তুমি যদি অ্যাডজাস্ট ও নিয়ে যদি আগে নিয়ে নে, তুমি পরেরটা নিয়ে নিও, ঠিক আছে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ। The process of cell culture, first is the process.
কিছু জন ঢুকছে, একটু অ্যাকসেপ্ট করে নিন।
একজনই তো দেখছি, দেখি কিছু জন ঢুকেছে, আবার কিছু জন বেরিয়েও গেছে। এবারে লাস্টে আমি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দেবো, আবার লাস্টে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স করবে, লাস্টে আর ঢুকতে হবে না, তো ক্লাসই হবে না, এরকম অন্য ক্লাস চলতে থাকবে। The process to the culture cells, first is the harvest of the cell. Harvesting means to collect the cell from the specific portion of the body, then it is isolated the cell with the use of some appropriate enzymes and apply to the isolated cell on the cell appropriate growth media, that is already discussed, the growth media, which type of a specific media is required for the specific cell culture. And cell culture by placing the culture disc in the cell incubation. In this case, the subculture cell also obtain a pure culture or bypass some problems and such as the sensations. And the variety of cell verify the cultured cell are of the cell types and interested, and cell are ready to the manipulated or modified for the experimental procedure. So these are the procedure by which you can, general procedure by which the cell will be cultured, animal cell culture. The type of animal cell culture, generally the primary cell culture, the first one is the primary cell culture and second one is the cell line or secondary cell culture. In the, it will be discussed in the previous classes. The animal cell culture classification. Primary cell culture, the depending upon the origin and the primary cell culture grow either as in the adherent monolayer or in the suspension. There is a three types of cell I discussed in the last class. The adherent cell layer, which is adhered to the cell in the petri dish, and the suspension type of cell layer, which is solid types of cell cell, and the conflict cell culture and the necessity of the subculture. And the secondary cell culture cell line is a finite cell line and the continuous cell line. Finite means a number is defined, and continuous, that means to subculture, that is called the continuous cell culture. The primary cell culture, this is the cell culture obtained straight from the cell of the host tissue, and the tissue the cells dissociated from the parenteral tissue are grown of a suitable container, and the culture thus obtained is called the primary cell culture. Such culture comprises mostly the heterogeneous cell, and most of the cell are divided only for a limited time. However, the cell are much similar to their. Next is the adherent cell. There is cell are the anchored in the depend and prograded of the monolayer, and nevertheless it is to be attached to the cell or the semi-solid proliferation. And these are fibroblast and the epithelial cell and the suspension cell. Basically they are suspended just like a suspension type of dodgesperm or suspension solid liquid mixture. The suspension cell do not attach to the surface of the culture vessels, and these cells are called the with the independent or non-adherent cells, which can be grow floating in the culture media. And heteropoietic stem cell derived from the blood, spleen or the bone marrow, and the tumor cell can grow in the suspension culture. So in case of suspension culture, the tumor cell or blood cell, spleen or the bone marrow cell culture or stem culture will be produced by the suspension culture, and these cell culture grown much faster, which do not require to any frequent replacement. The medium can be easily maintained. These are the homogeneous types, and enzymes treated is not required for the convoluted cell. They after the cell are isolated from the tissue and proliferated under the appropriate condition. They are occupy all the available substances for a few days. That can be becomes covered with either the container and determine the growth. Generally, the healing to cell death if left for a long time, and hence the subculture keeps cell in healthy and in the growing state. Passage number 8 refers specially to how many times in a cell line has been subcultured, and in contrast with the population doubling level, in that the specific number of cell involved in not relevant. It simplify gives a general indication of flow old the cell and many of the various assay. And secondary cell culture, how it will be formed after the first primary culture will be over, then the secondary culture will be prepared. Generally, the primary culture is not prepared in case of institute or the laboratory, general laboratory. The secondary culture will be prepared in the laboratory, and the first primary culture which is prepared there bigger or research institute, generally some society or American cell culture society, and when they are primary culture or is the subculture, it is known as the secondary culture or the cell line or subclone. The process involved remove growth media and dissociating the adherent cell, and subculturing by the primary cell to different divisions leads to the generation of the cell line, and during the passage cell line with the highest growth capacity and predominant, and resulting in a degree of genotypes and phenotypes uniformity in the population. However, as they are subculture serially, and they are just like in the microbial culture, it is the same subcultures of S type, just like the same. Another is the finite cell culture. The cell culture which go through their limited number of cell division and having the limited lifespan are known as the definite cell lines, and the cells passages several times and then lost their ability to proliferate. That means which is generally determined by the event known as the sensations. And the cell line derived from the primary culture of a normal cell are finite cell line. Continuous cell line, now those are the finite cell line undergoes the transformation and acquire the ability to divide it identifiably, and it becomes a continuous cell line. And such transformation mutation can occur spontaneously or can be chemically or virtually induced or to form a establishment of the cell culture from the malignant tissue. These cells are less adherent, fast growing, less subfastidious, and it is the main nutritional requirement and able to grow for the higher cell density and different in the phenotypes and the original tissue. So you can see how to culture the animal cell culture. The common cell line culture in human cell line culture, MCF7 or breast cancer cell, HL HeLa cell, 60 leukemia cell, and HeLa human cervical canceroma cell. How it will be prepared in this method? They basically the culture in the organ where it will be collected. Suppose in MCF7 with the breast cell, breast organ will be collected. The cell is isolated by the enzymatic and the mechanical action. Enzymatic, then when the trypsin or proteolytic enzyme used for the adherent cell or free cell, or in the by the mechanical standard you can use, the cell will be dissociated, and that will be then after the dissociation it will be cultured, culture it, and the convoluted cell will be formed a huge number. Therefore, here is the 5 number cell will be cultured. After that a huge number of cell will be cultured. Then it will be subculture or secondary culture. The primary cell line will be formed. Then after that culture, secondary cell line or subculture it is formed. After the cell division continues up to finite cell division, that is called the cell division, or it is overall process is called the primary culture. The cell line will be produced, cell division continuous up to indefinite division. Finite division, that is continuous cells or under the class of primary cell culture, or it is a produced cell line, and after cell line the cell division continuous up and to indefinite division, it is called the secondary culture. Then the secondary cultures, or another is the organ having the tumor cell. First is the organ is the normal cell that will be cultured by the first method, and the organ having the tumor cell that will be from the second isolation. The cell is isolated from the tumor or the cultured, then the transform into the cell, and cell will be changed the subculture, and finally in case of normal it is a cell will be division and continuous up to finite division, and in case of tumor cell, it cell division continue up to the infinite division, because cancer is the uncontrolled proliferation of cell, but in case of normal cell having the definite number, their growth, their promotion is controlled, where that's why there are a definite number of cell. But in case of cancer cell or in the organ having cancer, this cancer is the indefinite cell, because they are uncontrolled proliferation of cell, ultimately the number is not defined, so that is called the undefined cell, and all are cancer cell line, all are the primary cell line. Next, what are the method? Basically the method, the growth of the requirement and process to obtain the primary cell culture, and aseptic technique, and cryopreservation. হ্যালো, এক মিনিট। হ্যাঁ বলো, ক্লাসে আছে? আর জ্বর এখনো কমছে না, ঠিক সব ক্লাসে আছি, বলো। না না, বলো। কই লিস্ট করবো, জ্বর ভালো লাগছে না, ওইটাই কোনো রকম আমি করে আমি কালকে তোমায় পাঠিয়েছি, আর অন্য লোকের কাউকে কিছু পাঠাইনি আমি। মজুমদার টজুমদার কি করতে বলছিল আমি দেখিও নি, পাঠাইনি। কিসে? এই বছরে পরে আর আপডেট করা হয়নি, এই বছরটা মানে পরে আপডেট করা হয়নি। ঠিক আছে, আমি ক্লাসটা হয়ে চলছে এখন, আমি শেষ করি বলছি। আমার তখন যে 2-3টে পর্যন্ত ক্লাস আছে। ঠিক আছে, বিকাল। হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, আমি বলছি। ঠিক আছে, তোমায় 4টে-5টে দিয়ে করবো। হ্যাঁ, the first method is the growth of the requirements and process to obtain the primary cell culture. This is I discussed in another aseptic technique. This is very important technique in case of cell culture, because to prevent the contamination, because in case of if the microbial contamination or the cell contamination, there is a problem with the mix up with the cell, you cannot prepare the one definite types of cell. And the cryopreservation, this is the another type of preservation technique by which the cell will be preserved. And the growth requirement, what is the growth requirements? Every animals or the plant, all the living system can one growth requirement is required. The culture media generally they include the amino acids. Growth media means there is a nutrient media, amino acid, vitamin, salt to maintain the osmotic pressure, glucose or a bicarbonate buffer to maintain the pH, and the pH between the 7.2 to 7.4, because this is the normal pH of the each and every animals to growth by in this pH. And the growth factors and the hormones, oxygen and carbon dioxide, these are the prerequisite requirements for the growth of the cell culture. To obtain the best growth, additional of a small amount of the blood serum. Apart from this material, the best growth culture addition of the small amount of blood serum is usually necessary, and several antibiotics, because to prevent the microbial attack like penicillin and streptomycin is added to the primary prevent the bacterial contamination. Another is the temperature varies on the type of the host cell. Most mammalian cell are maintained 37 degree, generally the optimum temperature or optimum growth of the any animal or cell, but some does different. But while the cell derived from the cold-blooded animal tolerate a wider temperature range 15 to 25 degrees centigrade. An actively growing cell or log phage should be used while the divided rapidly during the culture. Log phase, I think no. It is the first one, the tertiary phase, then the log phase in case of microbes. I think it will be discussed by the Manas Chakraborty. What is the log phase and the stationary phase? Generally, three types of phase ABC, and which is the log one, or it is called another is the exponential phase of the microorganism. And in case of cell division, there is a highest peak that is called the log phase or exponential phase. And the process to be obtained in the primary cell culture. What are the process on how to collect the primary cell culture? The primary cell culture are prepared from the cell fresh tissue, and pieces of the tissue from the organ are removed aseptically, and which is easily minced with the sharp sterile razor or dissociated by the proteolytic enzyme such as trypsin, that will be discussed, and that break apart for the intercellular segments, and these often the cell suspension in the washed with a physiologically buffer to move the proteolytic enzyme used. The suspension is spread out on the bottom of a flat surface, and such as a bottle or the petri dish, and this a thin layer cell adhered to the glass or a plastic dish is overlaid with a suitable culture media, and it is incubated at the suitable temperature. These are the basic procedure by which you can, the last class we discuss about this type of fish. You cut this portion and mind the shape seizure, then the cultural division, they say place in the suitable media and enzymatic dissociation, ultimately the culture will be grow. These are the culture will be grow of fish of this particular product. Then is the aseptic technique. The bacterial infection like the mycoplasma or the fungal infection commonly occur in the cell culture and creation a problem to identify and eliminate. Because suppose you prepare some type of cell culture, HeLa cell 60, but HL60 or MFC7, but if you contaminated some cell, there is a or microbial contamination, there is a problem of identification and isolation and mixed of the cell. So at that time you can use some antibiotics to prevent the cell contamination or microbial contamination. Thus, all the cell culture works is done in a sterile environment with a proper aseptic technique, and what should be done in the laminar flow and with a constant unidirectional flow of HEPA and filtered air over the work area, and all the material, solution and whole atmosphere should be contamination. So this aseptic technique in case of microbiology, not only the microbiological culture but also the cell culture, this aseptic technique can be maintained. Then the cryopreservation, this is the another type of preservation. I am discuss about this preservation by the some preservatives or some antimicrobial agents. If a surplus of the cell is available from the subculture, they should be treated with the appropriate protective agent, say for dimethyl sulfoxide or glycerol, or it's stored in the temperature below 130 degrees centigrade until they are needed, and the stored minus 130 degree, and the stored cell stocks and prevent original cell from the being lost due to the unexpected equipment failure to the biological contamination. It is also prevent the finite cell from reaching the sensation and minimization the risks of changes in the long-term cultures. And when withdraw the cell, the frozen cell tube of it the warm quickly and warm what rinsed with a medium and serum and then added into a culture contain a suspension in the appropriate medium. So medium with the serum, there is a better growth for the cell culture. The application of the animal cell culture, last class we discussed about details about the first one, the model system. Second is the for model different types of cancers models and the toxicity study testing in case of cancer and other any types of drug development. Toxicity study is very important in case of cancer research also. Generally the cancer research, the nobody can sacrifice the animal or the human beings, but first of all you use this sensor cell line, and the virological study for the preparation of the vaccine or other type of study, cell-based manufacturing, immunological study, genetic counseling, genetic engineering, gene therapy, and drug screening and development. So in these different types of procedure, the cell line is required because it is the very easiest and the cheapest method by which you can study everything for the toxicity and other things. These are the application, and this is very important for your examination. These application is write down this. These are the model you can and explain this briefly. This number one model system, the cell line provides the good mood elevation for studying the basic cell biology and the biochemistry also, and the interaction between the disease containing agents and the cells, which agent produce some diseases, and that will be identify the effect of the drugs on the cell. After that, you use some drugs, and that drugs which effect on the cells, and the process and triggered by the agings in the by which the process in which process your aging process will be done, and by but which process, which agent trigger, that means increase the your aging process, that will be studied by the cell line culture. And the nutritional study also, last class we discussed about nutritional, that means what are the suppose you take some carbohydrate or amino acid or protein or lipid, but you get the nutritional value or not, that will be done by the cell line culture. Next application, toxicity testing. In cultural, the cell widely used in the alone or in a junction with the animal tissues test to study the effect of the new drugs, cosmetics, or chemicals on the survival and the growth of the wide variety of the cell types. And especially important are liver and kidney derived cell culture. These are the toxicity study. An application of the cancer research, I think discuss elaborately, but it is a culture since both the normal cell and the cancer cell can be grow in the culture, and the basic difference between them can closely studied. In case of cancer cell, their growth is undefined, and the normal cell they are defined. So in undefined cell can be identified, and you can use these drugs to prevent the undefined cell to defined cell, definite cell. In addition, it is the possible by the use of the chemical and the viruses or radiation to convert the normal culture cell to the cancer causing cell. And cultures cancer cell also serve as a test system to determine the suitable drugs and the method for the selectivity of destroying type of the cancers. Application of the virology, this is the most important nowadays, and this at this situation it is also very important, and the cell line culture is helpful tool for this virological test. And one of the most earliest and the major use of this cell lines culture in the application of the virus in the cell culture in the place of the animals and for use of the vaccine production. In this corona vaccine also, this type of cell culture must be before to establish the vaccines. And the cell culture is also widely used in the clinical detection and isolation of the virus, as well as the basic research into how they grow and infect the organisms by the cell culture of virus. Next, cell-based manufacturing. Cell culture used for the produce many important product, and there have been the generation of the growth most interested. And the first, the large scale of production of the viruses used for the vaccine production, vaccine for the polio, rabies, chickenpox, hepatitis B, measles, and the corona. These are the second large scale production of the cell that have the genetically engineered to produce the protein, and that are the medication and commercial value, monoclonal antibody, insulin, hormone, so many components already available in the market due to cell line culture. And the third is used for the replacement tissue or the organ, the artificial skin for use the treating the burns and the ulcer. Suppose in case of burn, their skin will be removed. In that case, the artificial skin is used. In case of ulcer, their cell will be destroyed in the stomach, lesser curvature or greater curvature of the stomach, that will be replaced by the different types of cell line culture. And the ulcer is the first commercially available product, and artificial organ such as pancreas, liver, kidney is underway. So first is the ulcer, and second one is the skin. Application of genetic counseling. For genetic counseling, the immunosteering, the diagnostic technique that are enabled to remove and culture the fetal cell for the pregnant woman, and has given the important tool for the early diagnosis of the fetal disorder. And these cells are examined for the abnormality in the chromosomes and the gene causing the cryotyping, and chromosome painting and other molecular techniques by which you can the fetus which type of disease disorder and in coming in future they are suffering from some any types of genetic disorder, and that can be rectified also very easily by this procedure. Similarly, the genetic engineering, this is the another most important application. The ability to transfect or reprogram the culture cell with a new genetic materials has provided a major tools to study the cellular effect of the expression of the genes, and this technique can also be used to produce the new proteins in large quantity in the cell culture or further study. And inspect cell are widely used as a miniature cell fraction to express substantial quantity of protein that are manufactured after being infected and genetically engineered to baculovirus. Next is gene therapy, another most important therapy. If it is established, any type of gene disorder are not harmful to the society, and any type of gene disorder can be treated. Say for example, hypertension, diabetes, cancer. The ability to genetically engineered cell that are also lead to either use of the gene therapy cell can be removed from the patient lacking to the functional gene, and misleading to a damaged gene can be replaced. The cell can be grown for a while in the culture and the replaced into the patient. The alternative approach for the cell missing gene to the vials and the vectors and infected patient and virus that have been in the missing of the genes, and it is ultimately in case of gene therapy they rectify first of all to identify the defective gene, then it will be repaired or it will be replaced by the gene. Next, the drug screening and the development. The cell-based asset by the become the increasing the for the pharmaceutical industry, not just for the cytotoxicity testing but also the high throughput screening method. They are the very important line. High throughput HTS high throughput screening methodology of the compound that have been the potential use of the drugs, and the originally has the cell culture tested or done in the 96 oil plate, and by increasing use now being made in the 384 and 1536 oil plate. So those are the number of oil plate is very defined, and the EB increases, so drug screening and drug development is very easily by this procedure. So thank you. This is the application and the procedure of cell culture. I think all if you understand. If any question, please ask me, or after that you can question here in the chat box or in the Google Classroom or you discuss in the next classroom. Thank you once again. Thank you very much for listening the lecture. Okay. Thank you. Next you